Voter turnout of 52% was recorded till 3 p.m. in the Karnataka Assembly elections. The highest of 67.37% polling was reported from Melukote Assembly segment in Mandya district, and the lowest of 32% in C.V. Raman Nagar constituency of Bengaluru. A total of 2,615 candidates are in the fray for 224 assembly constituencies. Voting is being held at 58,545 polling stations. In Meghalaya, voting to the Sohiong Assembly constituency started at 7 a.m. today at all polling stations. A voter turnout of 87% was recorded till 3 p.m. 6 candidates are in the fray for the Sohiong seat. These include Sinchar Lingdo Thaba of the UDP, Samlin Malnyang of the NPP, S. Osborne Karjana of Congress, Sadondor Rintathyang of the HSPDP, Serep E. Karbuki of the BJP, and Stoding Star Thaba of TMC. Some of the first-time voters who cast their votes expressed that they were filled with excitement as they took part in the world's biggest festival of democracy.
Pika jing community nanti ke expectation ke jongi nam tahun ni kondisi bangila dapat tham tai ke vote. Mal bros ke tangi ang nur nengi kwa yata a vote for change. Ma namar ba desi kini kisnam ki baladap segi don sibun ki jing bombit bombiang. Tiang tak daung kwa ya ketaka beta Meghalaya and a vote for change for our constituency 23 Sohiong.